Religious language has been used since the beginning of time to describe and communicate ideas about God, the divine, and spiritual experiences. But how does this language function in our everyday lives, and what role does it play in shaping our beliefs and understanding of the world around us? One way in which religious language functions is by providing a framework for interpreting and understanding our experiences. For many believers, religious language offers a way to make sense of the world and the events that occur in it. It provides a lens through which to view the world and can help us find meaning and purpose in our lives. Moreover, religious language also serves as a tool for communicating with others who share our beliefs. It helps us to articulate our faith and to connect with others who are on a similar spiritual journey. By using common religious language, we can build relationships and communities based on shared values and beliefs. Another important function of religious language is its ability to evoke emotions and inspire action. The words and phrases we use when we talk about our faith can stir up strong feelings of love, compassion, and devotion. These emotions can motivate us to act in ways that reflect our beliefs, such as volunteering or donating to charity. However, religious language can also be used in harmful ways, such as to justify discrimination or oppression. When religious language is used to exclude or demonize others, it can create barriers and perpetuate harmful stereotypes. Therefore, it's important to be mindful of how we use religious language and to use it in a way that promotes love, compassion, and understanding. In conclusion, religious language serves a vital function in our lives. It helps us interpret our experiences, communicate with others, and inspire action. However, we must also be aware of the potential for harm and use religious language in a way that promotes love, compassion, and unity.